Hi guys, my name is Allison and I'm the social media and content specialist here at Do Amore Rings. Today we want to show you a quick and easy way to clean your engagement rings from home. That way you always have a nice and sparkly ring at the ready. Cleaning your ring from home is awesome. You just want to be careful not to do so every day. We always recommend to our customers when they start to notice things aren't quite as shiny as they once were, maybe it's time to try this at-home cleaning method. Let's jump in. When you buy a ring from us, services like cleaning, polishing, and resizing are free for life. These cleanings are a bit more in-depth and use larger machines to clean your engagement ring. We recommend doing this before special occasions, but no more than 2 or 3 times a year. Also, when we have your ring, we'll be sure and do a full inspection to make sure everything's looking perfect before we send it back your way. If you'd like to read some other ways to give your ring a deeper clean at home, be sure and check out our blog post on how to clean your engagement ring below. Thanks so much for watching, and if you have any other questions about ring care or cleaning, be sure to ask us in the comments. See you next time!